All right, y'all. Um, it's currently 7:28 in the morning. I don't know what made me do this, but I decided I'm gonna record me live trade, and I already placed my trade a few minutes ago. Um, got some GU buys. Trying to see if SPX or anything gonna make a move. Trying to wait on the market to really open up. We got about 2 minutes. So, with that being said, just trying to see what's going on, what's going to happen. We got this little gap right here. 1 hour. It's been trading into a little bit. I'm trying to see if we actually gonna get a push up or not. I'm gonna probably place a couple entries since it is SPX. And once the GU breaks this high here, I'm probably gonna place a few more buy entries on that as well. Yeah, so I'm debating if I want to do a 0.03 or 0.02. I already made my withdrawal. As y'all can see, we back at $20. When y'all make money trading, bro, and you take $20 to 60, 70, 80, and you need little shit done, maybe you gotta go get some gas or whatever, bro. Like, unless you work a job, well, let's say another job, and you use your checks to pay for your stuff, then I understand that. But me personally, the money that I make, I use to pay for my stuff, gas and everything. So right now it just hit 7:30, 8:30 for New York. So I don't know. I'm assuming which you should never assume, but I want to see price outside of this little area here, like all together. I don't really want to take no trades on this. No, that's not what I wanted. What my box said, bro? Hold on, I don't know what's going on. This ain't the box I'm looking for. All right, boom. Purple. Why I just didn't apply default, man? There we go. I don't know where my head at, man. It early as shit. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. But yeah, so I want to see price break out of this. We got this fair value gap right here. So I want to see if we can get a push to the upside or if we're gonna get a push to the downside. This was my original entry on this account right here. So this is what really got that account up in the first place. I had bought, and I think price got up to here and it moved sideways, but I had multiple entries, so I closed out, and I didn't see this happen because after I closed out, I think I ended up like doing some other shit. I don't know what happened, but I didn't come back to SPX. And then when I looked again, I'm like, damn. So usually when I get these entries, bro, what it really is like once price break previous highs, like for me personally, if I can know if my entry is good or not, the market would always come back and test my entry. Like the market could have always like came down here or came in this area or whatever the case may be. But usually when I enter a trade to know if my entry is a good entry, I'll be waiting to see if the market will come back and test it a few times. Now, like I said, once this pushed up like this and started moving sideways, I did get out because that's just a rule I set up for myself. Because if the market is going to drop, I never know how low it's going to go for sure before buying back up. And I'm not the type that's willing to just sit and draw down just because. Like, if I don't have to, I'm not going to. So that's just what that is. We currently up a little bit on this GU trade. And for those who new to trading, don't come into this space like, oh my god, I need to be up $100 off rip, or I need to be up X, Y, and Z. Like, everybody's shit gonna be different, bro. If you start with a small account, this is $20. Y'all not finna see me up $1,000 floating off of a $20 account, bro. Not let's be real, man. So if you looking for shit like that, I promise you there's other channels of people doing that, but it's not happening over here. Not right now, bro. Like there's $20 in like 10 cent or something. 19 cent in this account. Y'all not finna see me floating no crazy number right now. But yeah, so I want to see what's gonna happen with SPX. I can trade US30 with the broker that I'm on, which is Hanko Trade, but the way US30 looks, it's like I did draw out this little demand right here that it was in. So we're gonna see how that play out as well, because if price is gonna actually push, then that would actually be a good little buy area right here. I don't ever want to just, especially with US30, I don't ever want to like jump in too early because it's US30. You know what I'm saying? Like when you first enter, it's not crazy, but if that shit start dumping on me, like it's gonna be kind of hard to recover from that. So I'm going to just see how this plays out. If I can see a decent push and then like a retest, because I don't really have much like of highs marked out over here. I don't know, it just looks weird. This is 1 hour, but I don't really got highs marked out like talking about. Let me turn this off so once I go to a lower time frame, it don't mess with everything. But if we go down to the 15, there's not really like major highs except for this one right here, but that still would be like a decent push. So I'm just gonna wait and see how this plays out. If we can get below this demand, then I'll probably take some sales into this fair value gap here. I wouldn't even call it a fair value gap. That's just a fat ass gap. That shit showing up everywhere on here, on Hanko. It's a literal gap. So if we can get below here, and more than likely we could clear this out and then push back to the upside. But yeah, so this GU trade is still running. I'm not really sure. Yeah, so we took that GU long. We're gonna see how this play out. Probably would target up here and then like move stop loss into profit or something. I really want to see a break from here and then a retest out of there as well, because like price can break this and retest this, but I really want to see major highs. Like for those who don't know, bro, like it's best to target major highs. Like to me, this ain't no major high. Like that's just like a, you know, previous high. This would be something that's like, okay, if price can get above this, then we definitely gonna go to the next zone. Let me get this Fibonacci off. So to me, this is major. This really wasn't much. I don't know, I just pay attention to peaks, bro. That's all it really is. Like this would have been a major area for me at some point. And as y'all can see, once price did break that, it came up, you know, did a little retest around that same area that it broke out from and then went higher. So that's what I really be looking for, bro. I'll be looking for price to break previous areas and to just go to the next target. Yeah, I don't really have much to say, bro. I don't really do this whole live trading thing like talking about. I wanted to get more entries, but I think I'm gonna just chill for right now. We currently up a little bit, you know, nothing crazy, about almost $2. I had a broker. I had some money in what was it? Vital Markets. I actually ended up getting into a bunch of GJ sales and it went against me, so that account is no longer with us. Rest in peace. My entry was down here at 700 and I went to sleep. And this is why I tell y'all that I don't like trading with, well, I probably should have this time, but the way the market has set up for me, I was like, okay, price get below here, then, you know, we chilling. So price did get below. I seen this candle formation happen. I was like, okay, cool. Price closed below, you know, 700. Went to sleep, woke up. I think I got like $1 in that account. I only started with 20, so it's not really a big ass loss, but you know, shit happens, y'all. So don't ever get discouraged unless you do some very insane shit. Still don't get discouraged, but like I understand if you take like 100 to, you know, some crazy number. I don't know what's crazy to y'all, but like let's say you take 100 to 1,000, you end up losing to like $20. I can understand that, but I only started with 20. I really didn't make a whole lot in that account, in my opinion. And it didn't really bother me because it's just like, if I've done it before, I could do it again. I think I'm gonna just stick with Hanko trade though, y'all, because the other brokers, like, it's not that I can't make $100, but it was like you got to have a minimum of 100 to withdraw, and I'm like, nah, that's kind of shitty because like I don't always need the full 100. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes I just need 20 to get gas or to get food. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, when I make money, I actually take my profits and go do shit with it, like pay a bill, get my oil change, like use your money, bro. You know what I'm saying? Don't just trade and not fucking withdraw. You know, it's kind of pointless to do that. Like to make all that money and give it back, like just withdraw some, bro. It don't gotta be a lot, just take it out. Even if you decide to put it back in at some point, still take it out. Me, I'm taking my shit out and I'm going to get shit done. If we can't break this anytime soon, then I may end up closing. That's just me personally. Like I said, I will secure fucking 10 cent if I have to sometimes. I just rather like cut my losses short. You know what I'm saying? I look for certain things and I follow my rules. Everybody is going to be different, but that's just me. If certain shit just not moving like how I expect, or like, I'm not that I'm rushing it, but like if we start playing around here a lot, especially if not once 930 hits and then the market's still not really doing nothing, then I probably just take my profits. We're right above the 1.275 quarter point, so it's just like from here we can really go up to 1.3. I have faith that GU can get back to 1.4. We watched it go from 1.4 to 1.1 back to 1.3 back to where we are now, so we're kind of in that same little area. This is a decent entry, I'm not gonna lie. It's a pretty nice push for the 1 hour candle. But yeah, we watched a lot of stuff happen. Yeah, I'm looking, feeling very confident about this trade to play out the way I want. This is my TP. My stop loss is literally just there as like if price had a dumped. You know what I'm saying? That was really why my stop loss was there, just in case it wanted to be a little weird. But I think I'm gonna be able to hold this, man. Like, I had an entry here, but I think I was selling this because I was trying to get that, to clear that gap. Like I said, I was using Vital Market. I'm not really a fan of it though, bro. Like, just like when they had Hanko trade out, or not Hanko trade, but Hugo's way out for MT4. Like, I don't know. I was never really a fan of that broker. I've seen a lot of people make money on it. I'm just like, I don't really care about that. It's just like I'm comfortable with certain stuff. Hanko trade came out, and I remember I had like $7 in my account, and I fucked around and hopped at Nas. I'm like, wait, I can do that with $7. And so after that, I was just like, okay, I fuck with Hanko. And then once they took it off MetaTrader, I'm like, damn, what am I gonna do now? Because I'm not like, I ain't gonna say I'm not used to it, but like, I'm not really big on change. You know what I'm saying? I got so comfortable with like MT5, MT4, Hanko, just, you know, doing shit and flipping accounts. And then once they took it, I'm like, damn, what the fuck, bro? Every time I get good at something, they want to switch it up on me. But we gonna rock with it. I like this little setup they got for their website. This is kind of fire, I ain't gonna lie. I know a lot of them probably look like that, but to me, I don't really trade on my computer, but this is kind of cool. And the reason I'm on my computer, I'm gonna be completely honest with y'all, like they app that they got for Hanko, the ACT trader or whatever it's called, I don't really like it, bro. Like my charts don't load right. Like if I was to load into GU or gold or something, it'll be like a fat ass selling candle or a fat ass bullish candle, and then I go to trading view and those candles don't look like that, and I'm like, damn, like what's up with y'all charts? You know what I'm saying? So but yeah, we're gonna see how this play out. I'm not really gonna be doing no like fast forwarding or nothing like that. I may stop recording and then come back maybe like later on in the day, but outside of that, I'm not gonna really be doing a whole bunch of, you know, cutting or speeding up no clips. I just end the recording and then start back up later on. It's 7:42 for me right now, 8:42 for New York, so I will probably come back when New York actually hits. It's gonna be at 9:30, so I'm gonna set me an alarm that way I don't forget, and hopefully this keeps pushing and and we make some money today. If it hits TP, that's only $25, or maybe like 20. I won't say 25. It'll probably be like 21 something or 23, because for it to be 25, I would have had to enter exactly 1.275. But if it hits TP, or when it hits TP, then it'll probably be around like 20 something bucks. I'm not sure why it don't show me on here, but it should be around like 20 something dollars. So this account will go from, we'll either lose, once we lose, it will probably lose like, if we're up $1 now, we'll probably lose like maybe $1 and some change, maybe $2, if that. Then once we actually hit TP, we'll make like $21, $22, something like that. So we'll probably get the account to like 40 something, and then I'll probably try to get it to like 50 or 60, and then I'll make another withdrawal, like just to hold on to my profits, because I mean my profits is still sitting in my Bitcoin account. I ain't really doing shit with it right now. I gotta go get gas later, but as of right now, it's just sitting in my Bitcoin wallet. Like I don't know about y'all, bro. I got to a point to when I started growing accounts, I keep the money in there, and I like, oh, I'm gonna get it to 1,000, and then I start losing back to back to back to back, and I'm like, damn, what the fuck do I do? So now once I get these $20 to like even $50, $60, I take, you know, a little more than what I originally started with. I started this account with 15 bucks actually, you know what I'm saying? So to get it from 15 to 55 and then withdraw, and I'm back up already, because I entered some trades yesterday. Like I entered some GU trades yesterday, and it gave me some extra money, but I had 0.0 or 0.05s, and I had like 4 of them, and I closed out, or no, I had 5 of them. I closed out 4. I let one run, and that one ended up giving me $4 extra. So I was like, okay, cool, we got a little bit more bread. Because when I hadn't made a withdrawal, it was gonna put the account back at 15 bucks. I was like, fuck it, I don't really care. Hanko, I know with Hanko, I'm chilling. So like, I don't never really do nothing crazy with Hanko, even though you can do some crazy shit with Hanko. Because like I said, considering you could trade Nas with $7, unless they changed it, it was 7 last time. I can get into Nas right now. You know what I'm saying? So like, to me, that's good, because it's like I don't have to deposit $200, $300, $400 to trade Nas US30 SPX. I just deposit 20 bucks, find a decent entry in there wherever, and just, you know, let it do what it do. Anyway, it's 7:45. I'm gonna set an alarm for like 9:30 or 8:30 for me. I'll do 8:25 to give me 5 extra minutes, and I'll start back recording after that. As y'all can see, we currently floating like 1,000. I'm just saying it to kind of like put my mind in that mode, but we're currently floating 1,800 right now. It's only $1, as y'all can see, but hey, it's called manifestations. So we're currently up 1,800. But anyway, I'm gonna come back after New York starts, and then we're gonna see what happens. Catch ya. All right, man. So y'all can see it's 8:25. We back, man. Got 5 minutes until New York, bro. 5 minutes, bro. And GU. GU gave a pullback. Gave a little pullback. I got some entry set above here. As I can see, I was talking about this zone earlier, and price came to it. It's starting to move sideways. If price don't break it this time, stay above, I'm gonna go ahead and take my profits that it's giving me. Like I said, it's not much. I do got a pending order set right here for the buy stop. I'm thinking about closing it out just in case price want to whip this and sell down, because low key, for those who know patterns, I'm sure y'all see what I'm about to draw out, and I'm not really a fan of this right here, because y'all already know price could just, so we gonna see what's about to happen. We got 4 minutes. If price ain't breaking this, I'm not gonna hold you. Go ahead and take my little dollar and change, you feel me? And one thing about trading, y'all, it's setups out there, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, this setup might not work, but I'm still looking at other setups. I've been looking at SPX, Nas100 US30. I'm still waiting on them to see what's gonna really what's the move for the day. As y'all can see, it's trying to spike up a little bit, but I ain't never gonna just jump in these shits before the actual 9:30 candle, because that first little couple minutes of it being open, that shit'll do some crazy shit. You know, you'll never want to jump in too early, risk your account when you could have just waited for like a couple minutes to go by. I was in the middle of Walmart with my mom one time, and it was literally a minute into the next candle forming, and I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and get in. It's only a minute, and I blew my whole fucking account. True story, bro. We was in New Orleans. I remember this shit like it was yesterday because I was vlogging, and a family walked up to me. They was like, "Hey, what do you record? What do you do?" And I'm like, "Oh, I just vlog for YouTube, yada yada yada." Walked around the corner, walked past my mom. I was like, "Look, mom, this is about to happen. This is about to happen. I'm about to go ahead and get in." Literally 1 minute go by, and I blew my whole fucking account, man. So be patient, man. That 1 minute matter, bro. I'm telling you, that 1 minute matter. But as y'all can see, US 30 looks like it's trying to push up. I really want to see this gap get filled first. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. This little gap that they left, I'm not a true fan of it. This shit right here, I'm not a fan of this. I really want to see like a drop down, and you know, maybe they sell off for the day and then buy back up for the rest of the week. But I'm not a fan of this big ass gap that they left right here. So I don't know. We probably gonna be trading like Nas or SPX. SPX pretty decent. I was checking my trade history. I didn't even realize I was trading GJ on here. Closed positions. So apparently, so here go them GU trades I was talking about. I thought it was $4, but I guess it was like this right here. I did drop a 0.1 in there, but I ain't gonna lie. But I had like 50 something dollars. It was like, it might have been exactly 50. As y'all can see, finance, it showed that I started with 17. I thought it was 15, but my apologies. 1580 or 1789, whatever. I made a withdrawal. Nothing crazy, bro. Like I said, if I put in a little bit and flip it to 50, 60 bucks, I'm gonna take something, you know what I'm saying? So and then I was in some GJ trades. I don't even remember these. I really don't remember that I even traded GJ on here, but I made a decent amount of profit. I do not remember this. I really don't. Oh, okay, I do remember this. So, oh yeah, the way this playing out, I'm about to have to get up out of here. I was on the phone and someone said something about GJ. It was like, oh, it's selling. I was like, and I remember I hopped on this account and I had got multiple entries. Okay, I remember this. I took advantage of that. I ain't gonna lie. I heard that it was selling. I was like, yeah, because I said I ain't gonna trade no more today. I'm done. Whatever. Shit. As soon as I heard GJ was selling, I hopped in. But yeah, so it looks like this ain't gonna play out in our favor, but we're gonna still wait a little bit. It's exactly 8:30 right now, so we're gonna see. Yes, please sell. Please clear this. This too. No? Okay. What's Nas doing, man? Yeah. See, we could take some Nas sales because it's below a previous low. I'm gonna take damn, where'd it go? All right, so let's see what's about to happen with Nas. Make sure it's a 0.01. So with Nas, we're on 15 minute, by the way. We are in a little demand zone right here. I'm gonna change that to demand. All right, so we got a wick to the downside. Look like he was just taking that out, and it looks like it's trying to buy up. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna place a buy order, and then I'm gonna put my stops. I'm gonna have stops here. I'm not gonna put it there. Oh, I'm not gonna put my stops there. I'm gonna just have a mental stop. That was kind of scary. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I don't know if y'all saw that or not, but the only good thing about this is we can close out if we really need to. So it's pushing just a little bit. I really just want to target. What's this price? I'm gonna do place new order. I want to modify this. Take profit. I want that to be. I just want to target these highs, bro. Oh, nothing crazy. I just want to target those highs and get out this trade. Because at the end of the day, bro, this is a $20 account. Y'all not finna see me doing nothing crazy on here. You know what I'm saying? So, and if price just keeps playing around in this little zone, and I'm gonna just get out the trade. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is. Hopefully we don't get no crazy spike to the downside, man. That rejection wick is the only reason I took this buy. Like I said, imagine putting your stops at that area. Yeah, you would have been done for. But my mental stop is under that wick. So if price gets around 21.5 something, I will be closing that trade. And it's not nothing crazy. Like I said, I don't, when I take losses, well, today I took a fat ass loss, I'm not gonna lie. But when I take losses, it usually don't be nothing too crazy. But yeah, but that's only because my accounts don't be no big accounts. Now, if I had bigger accounts, obviously I would risk more, but I can't really risk a whole lot with accounts like this. So we're just gonna see how this play out, man. The way this should be spiking though is crazy on Hanko. Hopefully it follows through though. I ain't gonna lie, I need my TP up here. TP at previous highs. Close. All right, so we're not gonna panic, guys. It's all right. It's just money, man. All right, so we got this low here, or this wick, not low, whatever you want to call it, right here. So we're gonna see what happens. If anything, we close out. We'll be done for the day, at least with Nas anyway. But not gonna panic, bro. We're not gonna freaking blow our account, but we're not gonna panic. We have to close out. It's all good. We're at 17. So let's just see. This is normal for indices, by the way. For the people that don't trade them, like, promise y'all, like I said, these couple minutes, a couple spikes here and there, you just gotta sit through it, man. It don't be the end of the world. When y'all start trading, bro, remember, like, it's just money, bro. Like, you'll get it back. You know what I'm saying? And if you deposit in $20 and you freaking out over $20, you don't need to be trading. Like, bro, if this shit was to leave, like, it's literally $20. I can literally fund up again if I wanted to. But we're gonna see, man. I'll wait it out a little bit. I really want to target 21,700 for my take profit now that I think about it. 21,700. 700. Yeah, let's do that. But I feel like that's just a little bit more. What is GU doing, bro? Come on, GU. Yeah, see, getting that little pushback to the upside. If we can get a flip, it'd be nice. If not, it's cool. It is what it is. What the hour looking like? I mean, shit. Whatever happens, happens. I don't know, man. It'll be a nice flip, though, to be honest. I'm hoping it don't try to do... But it do be following this sometimes. SPX doing. And sideways, impulse, sideways, impulse, sideways, pull back, push, sideways, push, pull back, push, sideways. I don't know, man. We're gonna see though. We're gonna be down on 30. If we can get this flip and Little push to the upside. That'd be cool. Need to look at GU. Yeah, man. GU need to come on, bro. Stop playing around. It's all good. All right. Back on Nas. Oh, give me that flip. Bye. We're not gonna put no SL. We just gonna watch our trades. My SL is under this low. Cause he can do all this all day long. He can push up, move sideways, whatever. But if it gets under here, like and completely close under this week, I'm out. That's probably gonna be like $5 or $6 of a loss, but shit. Comment down below why I took that entry for the buy right there as well. I've been talking about it this whole time, but if you remember, comment down below why I took this entry right here. Right here. Just comment. Right there. Right there. Nice little buy entry. I would re-up. Should I re-up? Should we risk it? Nah, we ain't gonna risk it, man. We ain't gonna risk it, man. Want to keep this account alive. That way I can give y'all some trades, some live trades throughout the week, bro. What do y'all do? What do y'all do to keep y'all like anxiety down if y'all trade? I know some people do different things. I know some traders that be smoking, or they may, you know, meditate, or some may listen to certain music or whatever the case may be. I'm chilling. I really want to listen to some music, but I don't want them playing in the background while I'm trying to talk to y'all. But cause I'm gonna have some other music playing under this. But me personally, bro, I just pray, I meditate, and then I just listen to some music. And for the most part, when I'm trading, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, bro. I trade before I go to sleep. And I know that sounds crazy, but my anxiety be out of whack sometimes. So like, I place my trades and I just go straight to sleep. I'll place and I like literally go straight to sleep. I do not be caring no more, bro. Cause like I never had an attachment to money. And the reason I never had it is because I never had a whole lot of money to even have an attachment to. So it was just like, if I lose this money, it is what it is, bro. It's not gonna be the end of the world. It's not like I put my life savings into trading and just, you know, fuck my life up. It's like I'm putting $10 to $20 in this shit, and then I'm flipping it to whatever, and I'm withdrawing. And then after that withdrawal, if I do lose that extra money, that's just market money. That's just some extra profits. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not that crazy to me. But me personally, bro, I go to sleep. That's how I deal with my shit. I go to sleep, bro. I don't be tripping about none of this stuff. Cause at the end of the day, bro, like all these losses that I did take or that I will take in you know, the future or coming up or whatever, like it's supposed to happen, bro. It's just gonna teach me how to be better. Like, don't ever take losses as a bad thing, especially with trading, because the more you lose, the closer you get into being successful, bro. Like, that's just the truth. Because 4 years ago, shit, I couldn't make $1. You know what I'm saying? Like, now I'm able to withdraw money here and there and pay for shit that normally I would have to take out of my personal funds. Like, to me, this ain't. It's like just some shit I can spend money on without having to really touch nothing else. You know what I'm saying? So, and granted, yeah, it's only a $20 account, but still, like, your oil changed $40-$50, and I done took 20 to 100 plus with 3 different accounts. Then I could withdraw $40-$50 and still be able to trade and make some more money back. So, don't ever look at this shit like, oh, it's only this or oh, it's only that. Like, bro, once you understand how this shit work and perfect your craft, bro, and understand this skill, like, you literally can do whatever. Now I could try to be aggressive and hop in a whole bunch of shit, but once shit start pulling back, then I'm screwed. That's why I completely stopped doing that. I used to do it a lot, like, oh, I'm gonna make this money, because sometimes I can hop in some shit and it go blue and I be up and I'm like, yeah, I got it. And sometimes I hop in shit and it's over with. Like last night I hopped in GJ trades and went to sleep. Woke up, my account was gone. Like, cause I had multiple entries, bro. I'm talking about I had a lot of entries on GJ, and that shit went against me. So y'all just gotta pick your pairs, man. Know what you're looking at. And I knew what I was looking at. I just entered way too soon, bro. Way too soon. I had my confluences and everything, or why I wanted to take the trades that I took with GJ, and it just didn't play out in that way, man. You know, and it happens. Like I said, I'm far from perfect. Shit, I be fucking up a lot still, but hey, it's a learning process, bro. You just gotta figure out what you good at, what you not good at, figure out what you hold and what you don't hold, and what you know, like I said in past videos, just know yourself, bro. I'm pretty sure this Nas trade is gonna, cause it's not breaking no lows. That's why I'm not freaking out. Like, this is the lows right here, and until price actually break that, then, you know, I'm not gonna freak out still. I'm just gonna close. But like, that's why I'm just like, okay, we just gotta wait and see what happens for real. Cause as y'all can see, it's literally just bouncing in between that same price. It's not really going no lower. And the thing is, with the market, if price don't drop no lower and it just keep bouncing off of the same price, moving sideways, but it's not making no new lows, and you're already on the uptrend, I mean, for the most part, I see it pushing back up. I just back test a lot, bro. A lot of folks don't do enough back testing. Forward test as well. Like, actually get into these trades. Like, you know, push the button, you know, get your feet wet. You know what I'm saying? Blow a few accounts. I ain't saying to just lose your money, but like, that's the only way you're gonna really learn, if you actually doing the shit. But me personally, when I'm in trades and I'm seeing price moving sideways and shit like that, if it wasn't the fact that it was New York, you know what I'm saying? Obviously, I probably would have just got out like, oh, I'm gonna wait. But this New York session, the market gonna move some way, somehow, whether it's gonna go in my direction or it's not gonna go in my direction. But the thing is, if price is moving sideways and it's failing to make new lows, and you're seeing that you're in the uptrend or whatever, and you like this area specifically, like this shit ain't moving nowhere for real. If it's constantly bouncing in between a price right here like that, man, listen, bro, it got to go somewhere. It's either gonna keep moving sideways, or it's gonna go up for however long and come down, or it's gonna go down for however long and come up. But when I see stuff like that, I get excited sometimes, because I'm like, okay, shit, this shit ain't moving nowhere, bro. Like, this shit just keep bouncing in between this price and this price. Boom, go ahead and give me that bread. You know what I'm saying? So sometimes you just gotta click, bro. Sometimes you just gotta do it. Sometimes you just gotta hop in that trade and let that mug hit your stop loss. But nah, on a serious note, bro, you just gotta, like, I'm not gonna say not be scared, but like, don't be scared, but like, sometimes you just gotta get in the shit, bro. GU is finally moving away from wherever it was at. Nas is still whatever it's doing. I'm gonna just let it run this course, man. We was just down -$3, so hopefully we can be up at least 10. I want to say that it'll be $10, because that little bit was 3, so I want to say TP is $10. It might be a little more. I don't really know, bro. It don't show on here like it show on other brokers that I've used. Like, Trade Locker will let you know straight up, like, hey, bro, you up. You gonna be up this amount or whatever. But this one don't really show it. Hopefully it's $10, bro, because it would suck we had to close that fucking $5 loss. If it happened, it happened. But it would be nice if we can make $10 off this Nas trade. And by the way, this is Nas. This ain't no Nas mini. This ain't no whatever. This is just Nas, bro. So it's Hanko. Shout out to Hanko. We need a push though. I'm not gonna give this a set time, but this video is already really long. I don't mind having long videos, but I know a lot of y'all probably be looking for some, like, I don't know, but this is it. This is trading. This is the most boring fucking job you'll have. Like, you sit here and watch numbers roll on the screen and you just pray that they green numbers and not red. Like, this shit is, everybody want to be a trader, everybody want to be an investor and be their own boss, but you got to understand, bro, This is it. Like, I'm sitting at a desk with 2 monitors, just staring at the screen. And I mean, I'm not saying I'm only up a certain amount of money, but like, this is what trading is, bro. This is the harsh reality of trading. It's fucking boring. Like, you sit here and watch numbers roll. Like, yeah, once you finish, you probably can go out and maybe do, X, Y, and Z. But like, once I finish, I'm going to fucking sleep. Like, bro, this trading is the most boring job you will ever have. Because at least if you have like a job where you work with other people, you can associate with other people. Like, you could do that here too, but I'm by myself. Like, everybody not awake. It's 8 something in the morning. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't have family members that's interested in this shit, so it's not like they would know what they're looking at. But it's like, bro, I'm sitting here just watching numbers roll on the screen, and like I said, it's at points to where you just pray that they go in your direction. Otherwise, you losing out on money. But this is all I do, bro. I don't do no crazy markups. I don't got no crazy indicators. I don't got no signal, nothing telling me, hey, buy here, sell here. I'm just looking at the charts and going based off what I've learned over the years and letting the shit play out. If we could get price to break $3 on Nas, I'm not gonna lie, I might take my profits simply because how this shit moves. I really want to go to bed, but if we can get a little break, get a little $3, $4, $5, a little something. And the reason I feel like price is gonna buy up is because even though it's creeping like it is, once price actually break out of this little consolidation that it's in, like, that mug gone. That's just how it is, bro. Once it break out, it's gone. It ain't coming back. So not right now anyway. But once we get past this little wick that it left in, we chilling. We just need to actually get past it. So yeah, this is it, man. This is trading. So for those who want to be a trader full time, just know you will be sitting at your desk, unless you got like a family member, your significant other, whatever, that trades as well. More than likely gonna be sitting by yourself. You may have a Zoom call with some people in it, but in reality, this is it, bro. This is it, bro. Like, this is trading. Like, it's the most boring job you'll ever have. You have freedom and you'll have time and all of that, but it's the most boring shit you'll ever have to deal with, bro. Trust. How much are we up? $2? Yeah. Nas need to go on and spike. I know how this shit is. That little wig trying to scare folks. A lot of folks like, oh, they probably got some sales going or whatever. Once they shit get knocked out, you'll see this bitch probably gonna take off. And if not that, it's probably finna play me and dump on me. You know what I'm saying? But we currently up to something. That's like 2,200 for the day. You feel me? I'm manifesting, but yeah, hopefully we can get this little push, man. We was down -$3 though, so shit. We need that little push to the upside. At least break from like out of this zone here. That'd be nice. Cause once we could break above here, then I know here is next, and then my TP is literally right there. So yeah, we don't know. See that? See how clean that looks? We was down here. All we need is for price to actually push up and keep on, man. Let's see what the 1 hour looking like, just to be sure. Oh yeah, we chilling. As long as price don't flip back down. As long as it don't flip back down, we good, bro. Oh no, man. Oh no, it's going back. But no, yeah, I just don't want to see price break this. We get a break above here, bro. Golden. I just hate how sometimes like the indices move like so awkward, bro. Hopefully we can get some movement out of fucking Nas, bro. Hopefully GU keep pushing throughout the day as well. Let's go look at GU, because Nas is being a little baby right now. I ain't stressing about that. It's just give me my money. You feel me? All right, so GU. Oh, nice. So I do got this buy stop here for GU. I'm not gonna lie. I'll go to pending. Should I keep it, y'all? Should I keep it? Should I keep the buy stop? It's a 0.02. My SL down here. If I lose, shit, it ain't gonna be that big of a deal. But my take profit is all the way at 1.3. I ain't gonna lie. My take profits are fat. Like, these some swing trades. Only thing I'm not swinging is indices. I ain't that comfortable to swing those yet. Like, call me pussy. I'm not ready. Anywho, We chilling. I just need Nas to get out of this little area that it's in so we can actually go somewhere. Because if not, then if it don't move out of this area today, then what I see is prices constantly moving sideways for the time being. But if we can start breaking these highs like this here, this here, this here, then yeah, I see it going. I ain't saying it's gonna make a new high, but if we break this, then it's gonna target this. And if we break this, then that's a new high. So I'm hoping we can break these highs right here, because that's like under here is probably more sellers really trying to push that whole down for real. But if we could break that for the buy, which is Nas, like Nas don't do nothing but buy anyway. You know what I'm saying? It's not like we in a terrible spot. It's just we need that push. I like trading because it gives me, for one, it gives me something to do with my time. And it's like you can always learn something, like learn something new. I'm not saying always change up your trading or always, do something different, but it's like it's so much information with this. If it's not just trading, in general, it's like learning about the news or what I'm saying, stuff like that. So I really just it helps you with like psychology in real life, bro, like patience in real life, and you have to be consistent trading. So once you get consistent doing that, and you have to be consistent doing other stuff as well. So it's just like for me, it just gave me everything that I felt like I was missing. You know what I'm saying? Like, you feel like you need to catch up and get ahead in life, learn how to trade, because it's going to teach you so much different shit. You know what I'm saying? But for real, because it's just, I don't know, man. I be thinking about stuff. I'm real big on learning and everything like that. So it just gives me shit to do. And once you master, hell, you make money, bro. Like, what the fuck? Who don't want to make extra money? Even if you're not hurting for money, it's still good to learn this, simply because it's just like, bro, you, instead of having your money just sit there and you're not making nothing from it, shit, you can make something from having your money sit in brokerages like this. You know what I'm saying? Well, not necessarily this, but stocks, or if you want to trade forex accounts, instead of just having it sit in a bank account not doing nothing, you can have it actually working for you, bro. Like, to be able to have $20 in a trading account and go to sleep and wake up to 150 plus, like, bro, who wouldn't want to learn how to do that? You know what I'm saying? And I get it, people gave forex a bad name, but like, shit, bro, like, it's not completely, it's not all bad, bro. I promise you it's not all bad. You can't trust everybody, but I promise you it's not all bad. We got 3 minutes until 9 o'clock. I'm gonna go to the hour. Yeah, you see these wicks, this right here, boom. So all of these little wicks right here, yeah, I'm looking at those as like, I don't want to go down no more, bro. Like, I'm done trying to sell. I'm ready to buy now. That's how I look at stuff. Like, I don't know, bro. I just try to make myself like look at shit a little different. But like I said, I'm not no freaking wizard, and I don't control the market. So even though I feel that way, that don't mean it's gonna do that because I feel that way. That's just how I be feeling. So just remember, once you get into trading, the market don't give a damn. If you feel a certain type of way, it really, they don't care. Let me know if y'all like these type of videos. I know this is kind of long, but like I said, when it comes to trading, bro, this is what you do. You sit here and you wait. It ain't really much you can do. You can go off and go get you some food, which I'm going to do in a little bit, or play video games, which I'm about to do in a little bit, or, just chat with friends or something until the market decides to move. But yeah, this is really it, man. This is really it. I think it's so cool because I'm gonna say this now. Like, right now, y'all see I'm only floating what, 19 cents, because Nas is being crazy. GU is up a little bit, but hopefully that next GU trade actually gets triggered and we make some money off of that. We may take a loss with this Nas, just depends on how this next hour is, because price ain't pushing up, but price also ain't pushing down. So this next candle could do either or, like out of nowhere. So I'm hoping it just pushes up. But I'm gonna say this right now because it's crazy how I'm only up, you know, $1 and some change or whatever. And then literally within the next couple of months, I'm gonna be making a video like this again, and I'm gonna be floating like 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. Like y'all, I'm telling y'all, bro, like this shit is so crazy. But yeah, so just focus on the skill, bro. Focus on the knowledge, focus on the moves. Don't worry about the money. We know that we're gonna make money. I be trying to get people to understand this. You know that you're gonna be making money trading. So why do you care about already making money? Like, who gives a fuck? Who cares? Because when I be flipping shit before I even make videos, oh yeah, that shit over with. The way that candle closed, we're gonna see though. But when I make these videos about, oh, I took X, Y, and Z to X, Y, and Z, I don't be expecting people to give a fuck. In my mind, I'm like, don't nobody give a damn about that. But I put that out there because there's people out there who don't got 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 to fund their account, but they had $20, they got $10, they could come up with 15. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, I'm gonna let people know, like, hey, this shit possible. You know, they gave it a bad name, but this shit really do work, you know. And as I saw, shit, finance, I've made a withdrawal for $30-something off of fucking depositing. So that should let you know, like, okay, he didn't make 1,000, 2,000, but he still was able to take that little bit of money and turn it into something. So if y'all want to make just extra bread, maybe you want to order food for your kids, maybe you want to pay for your Netflix, maybe you want to buy some new makeup or something. You don't gotta make $1,000 a day to do shit like that. You know what I'm saying? You can make $20. You know what I'm saying? You can make $10. Like, you can make enough to go get you some food, you know. So I don't know. The way Nas is looking, it might try to sell off. I'm gonna give it like a few more minutes. But yeah, just use it as a way to, you know, for one, focus on the knowledge, focus on the skill, focus on the move. Don't worry too much about the money. Like, if you lose, it's okay. I invested over $2,000 in the beginning, and I didn't even know where that came from because I didn't have $2,000. It's just I was depositing little money here and there so much. I checked my Bitcoin, it was like, oh, 2,400, and I'm like, what the fuck? Where did this shit come from? So you're gonna take L's, bro, because I didn't withdraw that much money out of the market when I first started. I wasn't withdrawing thousands of dollars like that, you know. I was having some good ass days, but I wasn't withdrawing my money, so I was fucking my accounts up because I was getting cocky and big headed, like, oh, I done got it to this much, I'm gonna get it to this much. And I went on a fat ass losing streak. I'm talking about a fat ass losing streak. So that's why I say, when you make a little bit, I got PTSD, bro. When you make a little bit of money, shit, take it. Don't give it back. Don't give it back. You start with 20 and you flip it to 100. Take something. Do not give it back. Don't ever give your money back. You're not finna go to work for a week straight, get paid, and give your paycheck back to your boss. Like, nah, I'm good, bro. So do not. Anyway, it don't look like the market really doing much. I'm gonna see if this shit will move back into profit. I really want to hold a little longer, but I'm not gonna record this whole thing. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'll just give y'all an update video or something. But I'll let it play out for the day. My stop loss is still gonna be below those lows. So if price decides to get down there, then we just gonna take that loss. But I'm gonna see what happens. I'm gonna let it do what it do. It's not really moving too crazy, so I'm not too worried about it. But yeah. I'm gonna update y'all later.